Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you another major update from Pi, alright? So at the same time, please, before I get into the video quickly, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel, right? At the same time, please endeavor to make sure that you watch this video to the end, because I'm actually keeping the best part of this video at the end, right? So if you don't watch to the end, that means you're going to miss out on a lot of things. So please make sure that you watch this video to the very end. All right, that being said, let me just dive into what we have today for Pi. All right, I just got this news that Pi coin price takes a hit despite Pi network launches two major features. So now let's dive into what the news is talking about, and after then we can now share our own point of views and also take you around Pi and other things for you to really understand what is going on in Pi network, right? The much awaited Pi today has arrived, bringing with a fresh wave of exciting updates from the Pi network. While the platform unveiled two innovative features, Pi App Studio and Ecosystem Directory staking, the Pi coin price failed to react positively. Right now, with this important update, now this update is actually one update that can actually bring a lot of positivity in the ecosystem, no doubt. I'm going to tell you why that is supposed to be what we are looking at currently. Now, I don't want to read through all this stuff, but let me just break down what it's all about. Then before I can now go into why I even do this video, right? Pi ecosystem has actually launched two important features, which is launching an app, or building an app, or developing an app through their blockchain with the help of AI, all right, without having to code. Now this is a major development that can actually bring utility into Pi network, right? And once this happens, what we are expecting is supposed to be that the price is supposed to actually do what? Push up, go up, right? But that is not the case. Now, secondly, staking is one thing that can actually help the price of Pi to actually go up, right? Because of the fact that people will now have to stake Pi to make more money. Now, staking helps people to actually hold the Pi more. Staking, you are actually keeping the Pi, not to sell it for more money, to gain more money, right? That's what staking is about. But despite all these two features, now you know what happens. The price of Pi takes a hit. It went down. The price of Pi does what? Went down. Don't worry. Please don't skip this video. Make sure you watch it to the end. I'm going to tell you why this is happening in Pi network. So please make sure that you watch this video to the end. Now, instead of the price of Pi to actually go up, it comes down. Now let's just go to coin market cap to actually look at something. So this is coin market cap. Now look at the current price of Pi. The last video I made, the price of Pi was at 0.6 cents. It was above 6 cents, right? Now look at it now. It's currently at 5 cents. Instead of going up, it's coming down. And if you look at the volume traded in the market, is covered that it has come down from 28 to 29 now currently, right? And look at the graph. The graph was trending down, right? So now let us go into trading view. Let me also show you one or two things. All right, so we are here on my trading view, and I want to take note of something. Now, this is BTC. This is BTC. You can see the way BTC is trending. BTC is trending. Coin is trending up. It's going up, right? Here it was ranging, right? And from it, can just see the trend is actually going up now. So for every other cryptocurrency, it's actually following the same trend. So let's see other cryptocurrency like let's look at this. We can see this one. It's actually trending up. It's going up, right? So let us see Ethereum. Ethereum is actually trending up as well. Let's look at Fastcoin as well. It's actually trending up. right? It has a little pullback and is trending up now currently. So a lot of them like that. Let's see which one is this. Let's see Trump. Trump has a pullback and actually going up currently. Now let us go back to Pi and see what Pi is actually doing. Right? You can see Pi. Pi, instead of going up, is actually trending down. Is going down to this point, and from here it will still go down. Now, with the major news about those two major developments coming into Pi network, we're supposed to see Pi actually shooting up seriously, but that's not the case. That's not the case, which actually worries me a lot. Don't worry, please don't skip this video. I'm going to tell you why that is happening. All right, just in a bit. I don't want this video to be too long. Let's get into the real deal. Now, look at I think I've actually mentioned this. I mentioned this in my previous video. Right, that now look at, we have over 16 million engaged pioneers. These are people that are in Pi network active currently. Now, one thing about these guys is that these people are still mining Pi. Just imagine having the volume of this. Just imagine having these people, right, mining Pi. Now, don't forget, when Pi was launched, Pi went up towards $3 before it drops down. It went up to $3 and we're excited, we're happy, and a lot of people made money, right? Before it now came down. Because of the fact that people are actually pumping Pi into the market. Let me also show you something. Let me show you something. Now, look at this. MarketWaves as Pi network released 2.8 million coins. This was when, let's go down and check. One of the most significant developments closely monitored by cryptocurrency enthusiasts this April, that was April, occurred today with the Pi network released 2.8 million Pi coin into circulation. Now, take note of this. Take note of this. Every month, this is not just once, every month, Pi network actually release coin into the market, because everyone that is mining Pi is actually having different months of their own Pi being released into the market. Right? Now, every month, Pi network actually does what? Release coin from people that are actually due. They release their coin into the market. They keep on releasing their coin to the market. This was just 1 month. Just 1 month, and you are seeing this volume. 2.8 million was released into the market. All right? That was on May. And it will surprise you that this is the average that gets into the market every month. Every month. This was for May. All right? This might be what's getting to the market every month. And tell me, if this is going to the market every month, what do you expect to happen to the price of Pi? The price of Pi will actually go down no matter what is being done in the ecosystem to make sure that they bring utility into the ecosystem. The price will keep on going down because the amount of circulation now is much. And to even worsen the whole thing, people are seeing mining. By now, Pi mining is supposed to have stopped. But people are still mining Pi, right? This is the problem. This is the problem. People are still mining Pi, right? So there's no how we expect the price of Pi to actually go up with what is going on here, right? It's not only Pi that is in the market. Not only Pi that is in the market. We have other cryptocurrencies. What people do, what other cryptocurrencies do, is to see the way to burn their own number of coins in circulation. When they burn their own number of coins in circulation, they actually remove a whole lot of it out of circulation. But what Pi is doing, Pi is actually, pushing a lot into circulation, which does not help the coin at all. It doesn't help the price of the coin at all. That's why people are scared. People are scared to actually engage in Pi. People are scared to actually buy Pi. A lot of people are selling their own off because they see that the price is not stable. Instead of going up, when other coins, like I showed you before are actually going up. The price of Pi is actually coming down. This is the major issue. This is the major issue. So guys, I just got in this and I was like, let me just bring it to your notice so that for those that are actually following me, if you want to buy Pi, right? If you want to hold Pi, if you want to trade Pi, whatever you want to do, you have to make sure that you take some precaution first. All right, because I believe until these guys realize the fact that the volume of Pi that is being mined every day is not helping the network, then things will start changing, right? Like my own, I actually locked my own till the next 3 years, and I'm really worried. I'm really worried because this is not what I expected from Pi. This is not what I expected from Pi. If I'm able to release my own now, I will sell it off. That's the truth. I have over 3,000, and the way it's going now, we don't know. By the time next 2-3 years comes, I don't know what happens with Pi. Whether we will not even have value again. So that's the issue, right? So I just want to bring this to your notice until we actually see a difference, right? I will keep on following Pi to see what is going on till we see the difference. Once I see the difference, then I'll also bring it to your notice. But once I see some kind of stuff happening and it's not helping the network, I'll still bring it to your notice. So do well to actually subscribe to this channel and like this video, and also comment, all right, in the comment section. If there's any question you want to ask, I'm always available. Then let's get talking in the comment section. All right, so that's going to be all for this video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.